as this industry explodes, as you're saying, and it moves beyond carrier talking to carrier and goes into content providing, what applications are you seeing that you're excited about? What are some different uses of the technology that are enabling people to touch different things than they have before, whether that's content or another person or...
I think there's so many exciting applications that seem to be appearing by the day, and some of them strange and esoteric, and some of them very normal. I think that one of the most exciting applications we see right now is barcoding, or being able to send barcode information to a handset, which can be used for such a diverse array of things, such as checking in for flights without having paper boarding passes and using your mobile phone as a boarding pass. Also to wire funds or transfer funds across the globe. So using barcoding and effective multimedia messaging type applications on a handset really opens up a whole array of additional services that can be delivered.
For each one of those applications, does there have to be a standard built to it? I know in barcoding there's a couple different technologies that can be used, and where is the industry in that? Is that something Telecordia follows?
Oh, we very tightly follow the standards or lack thereof. I think that there's a huge array of divergence amongst device capabilities, and so different devices use different formats, different codecs, and different ways of displaying information. So you really have to have and it's not going to change the fact that there's these variations between devices. So what you need is databases and directories within the network that help you understand what type of device it is, what capabilities that device is, so you can format your message or your communications effectively to meet the requirements of that device.
And you're saying you have a database of every telephone number in the world?
Correct. We have built a database of every phone number in the world, and we can tell you what service providers are associated with that phone number so that you can correctly send an SMS, an MMS, or some other type of content to that user.
What are the upcoming challenges? Again, I think that in theory the market is coming together, but in reality, I'm not sure that you still hear about revenue lost and transactions not going through. And again, with the third-party content providers, there's still lawsuits about I didn't authorize this, and
right.
The theory is very nice, but the reality seems a little bit messier.
Yeah, I think that the constant thing the industry is trying to balance is trying to open up as many services as possible, but also maintaining the security and privacy of individuals and the preferences of individuals. An example of that is location-based services. Wouldn't it be great to say that you're in New Jersey today, and I know of there's 4 or 5 coffee or Starbucks nearby that I want to send you a coupon for, but you may not want that information to be available. So, how you release information, how you keep it private, but also enable these services is a challenge the industry definitely faces, as well as maintaining security of this information.